Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Laravel Hotel Management System project tutorial for beginner. So in the previous tutorial, we integrate this admin template in our project, but we did not add any logout option for the admin. So in this tutorial, we're going to add the logout option for the admin. So for it, first of all, let me just go to my code and we'll just directly go to resource, then views, and inside views, we have admin folder. And here you can see the header section. This is the header section and the header section code is inside the header.blade.php over here. So we'll click on header.blade.php. And right now, if we go down, we'll see the logout option at the end. So we'll remove this logout option from here. So here you can see the logout option is inside the anchor tag. So we'll remove this. So right now, if we save it, then refresh, there are many logout option over here. There you can see. So right now what we'll do is that we'll just directly go to our dashboard.blade.php and over here we have this XApp layout opening and closing, and this let us see the profile of a user or also let the user log out. So we'll just copy this and right now we'll paste it inside this div. So let me just write it like this, so that you can see clearly. So right now, if we set this, then if we now refresh here, there you can see we have our admin button and here we have profile and the logout option. The CSS design changed because of this admin template CSS. So here you can see the English over here, the image is broken. So let's just remove this part from here. So let's go back and here you can see French and English. So we'll remove this, then save it, then refresh here, and there you can see. So here you can see manage account, profile, and the logout button. So if you want to change the design, you can do that as well. So we'll just make a little bit changes over here. We'll remove this manage account option or text from here because it doesn't do anything. So let's go back to our code and this time we'll just directly go to our navigation menu.blade.php, and right now let me just go down. And here you can see the logout button. So whatever you are seeing over here, this button is created in the navigation.main.php, and here you can see logout button, the profile option, and the manage account option. So we'll just remove this manage account from here, and we also have this unnecessary div over here. So we'll also remove this. It is around line 85. Okay. So let's save it. Let's refresh here. So right now if I click on the button, there you can see there is no manage account option over here and it looks a little better than before. And if you want, you can only add the logout option or logout button over here. For it, all you need to do is that you need to remove this. Okay, let me just show you. You need to remove this, and here you can see a form for the logout option. So we can just copy this and paste it over here. Right now if you save it and then refresh, there you can see we have the logout button like this. So whatever you prefer, you can keep the previous logout button or this on. It's up to you. So I'll just keep the previous on, this on. Okay. So let's save it again and let me just refresh, and there you go. So right now we just added the logout option in our admin template. So let's just check if logout working or not. If I now click on logout, there you can see it took us to the home page. In this tutorial, we just finished the logout option in our admin template. This is all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll let the admin add room number for hotel. So this is all. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.